The first in the Tiara Sport LX lineup, the 34 LX is a smart blend of comfort and performance. This luxury crossover offers a variety of amenities that are certain to enhance your day yachting experience. Abundant seating, ample storage space for beach and water gear, along with thoughtful details around the galley and onboard entertainment ensure relaxation and fun for everyone on board. Join us as we tour and experience the Tiara Sport 34 LX. Accessed via a centerline walkthrough, the bow social zone offers deep seating that provides a comfortable and secure ride while underway. The centerline window opens and is secured in place with a simple locking mechanism. Low-profile grab rails offer additional safety as needed. Relax in the bow social zone with stereo entertainment, USB power ports, cup holders, and movable armrests. Storage can be found below the bow seats. Deploy the anchor via switching at the helm or with the handheld remote in the anchor locker. The anchor is mounted through the stem and recessed. Located on the starboard side of the bow, the marine gear storage area features ample space for equipment and water toy storage. The compartment has a flexible system and is ventilated for evaporation. A stainless steel locking latch holds the door secure. The accent color and detailed stitching are carried through to the dual-width helm seat with flip-up bolster. The helm seat adjusts electrically fore and aft with a simple switch, providing captain further comfort at the wheel. Featuring the latest in marine electronics and mechanical component switching, captains will find the helm is presented in a consistent manner. The optional electronic package includes integrated Garmin GPS and additional features specific to your selected propulsion package, as well as an optional second Garmin display. The optional Tiara premium stereo system, supported by Fusion and JL Audio, includes controls at the helm within easy reach. The helm is accented with leather and teak finishes, as well as complementing detailed stitching, showcasing craftsmanship and sport styling. All necessary navigational gear is purposefully located overhead. The hardtop above the helm features a manual sunroof, providing great light and air. While at the helm, captains and guests are certain to appreciate the custom windshield system with curved, tempered safety glass. Fully integrated into the hardtop, the window provides great visibility for safe operation. Under the helm seat, guests will find dedicated storage for a 45-quart cooler. This thoughtful space provides access without having to move the cooler for use. A door located on the port side of the helm leads to the private head. Accented with beechwood, corian, and teak, the head is complete with storage, sink, and toilet, as well as an opening port light with screen. Guests will enjoy the dual-width companion seat located on the port side, with similar upholstery details and flip-up bolster found at the helm. Rotate the seat aft and further open the galley and aft cockpit social zone. Accommodations in the outdoor galley include corian countertop, sink, refrigerator, and dedicated trash compartment. Install the optional cockpit TV into a dedicated receiver located within the countertop to enhance the onboard entertainment package. The cockpit can be enhanced with optional faux teak decking. The aft cockpit seating and social zone is a key innovation on the 34 LX and provides various arrangements, offering guests their choice of relaxation options. An L lounge with a leafing high-gloss teak table provides space for dining. Forward and aft-facing seats can be transformed depending on guest needs. Use the pedal to move the backrest, which converts the seat to an aft-facing chaise lounge or sun pad. Storage located below provides additional space for gear or equipment. Deploy the optional make-fast powered sunshade with a simple switch for additional comfort while enjoying the aft seating arrangements. LED lighting and speakers are housed in the fiberglass hardtop and accented with inlaid upholstered fabric panels. Complementing the athletic feel of the boat, the aft supports are designed into the hull side gunnels and add to the sport aesthetic. A single entry transom door offers access to the port and starboard transom wings. The telescoping boarding ladder or top mount removable swimming ladder provide for easy points of entry and egress for water sport activities. Customers may choose to enhance this space with optional faux teak decking. The recessed transom shower is located on the port side behind the aft-facing seat. Accessed through a single cockpit floor hatch, the machinery compartment reveals space to service major components, filters, and bilge pumps. The optional generator is within easy reach, and the optional Seakeeper SK2 gyro has a mounting location below. With a focus on luxury sport aesthetics and day yachting, the Tiara Sport 34 LX offers a crossover complete with functionality, comfort, and purposeful details. Customers may choose to further enhance the sport styling of their 34 by optioning to paint their new vessel. Your favorite ports are within easy reach with a 200-mile range. Powered with twin Mercury 400 Verado engines, captain and guests will enjoy a thrilling ride and exhilarating performance, including a top speed of 51 miles per hour. Experience innovation and luxury sport performance from Tiara aboard the 34 LX. Visit tiarasport.com or stop by your local factory-authorized Tiara Sport dealer today.